How to log in into Delta Airlines employee account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can log in into Delta Airlines employee account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up your preferred browser, head towards the search bar and type in Delta Airlines employee login, press enter in your keyboard. After that, from your search results, head towards the first link on your interface. That's gonna take you to the login page. So here, all you have to type in is your login credential. So first of all, type in your Delta login or PPR. And under that, enter your correct password. In case if you have any trouble while signing in, click on this box here and that's gonna help you recover your account. So once you have entered your correct login credential, click on sign in button and then you'll be able to log into your Delta Airlines employee account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.